Hi, good morning. I want to take a few minutes to tell you something that I learned from Pierre Trudeau. Prime Minister Pierre Trudeau, father of the Trudeau who was just Prime Minister here in Canada. We'd have to go back to 1976, I think. Mr. Trudeau was in Toronto to give a speech to the Liberal Party. So he was going to give a leadership type speech to a room full of Liberals. And I happened to be in that room. I'm not a member of the Liberal Party, and I certainly wasn't then. I was probably, 18 years old or so. And I was fascinated to hear the Prime Minister of Canada talk. And he was only 30 feet from me or so. And the room was full of people. There might have been 1,000 people in this huge room. And his speech was mainly focused on what it meant to be a Liberal. And he was trying to clarify for everybody. But he got around to talking about nationalism. And he made a few statements about nationalism which really surprised me. Being 18, I really hadn't thought about any of this at all. He started out by explaining the problems with being national, with nationalism. And he finally got around to saying, basically, nationalism is a social disease to be stomped out whenever it rears its head. You see, the fact is, you're a human and so am I, and so is everybody in this planet. We're all really together in this thing. We have these political divisions which cause us to behave with nonsense. Part of that nonsense can be becoming, let's say, infatuated with our own country and begin thinking silly things like human beings living here are better than human beings living there. Or because I live here, I deserve more than people who live there. Nationalism is a social disease to be stomped out as soon as it rears its ugly head. Thanks a lot for watching.